Okay, that was easy. Fresh rings installed. Let's pop the jug on. This looks a little rough here on the camera, but smooth as can be. So we're gonna send it. Well, that was kind of a pain, but it's in there. Now I just have to make my decision. This is all I was waiting on. So, do I want to tear apart a Super XL? Find a good donor. Nice XL-12 donor right here. That thing's actually under all that dirt, but that thing's pretty clean. Or I can dig in the parts pile, I suppose. A nice rear handle. I don't know. I'll figure it out and then I'll let y'all know. Alright fellas, this is how far I got today. Got the tank on, handle on, got our oil lines in place where they need to be. Haven't decided what carburetor I'm going to go with yet, but I did decide I'm going to keep it the 500. I'm going to put all this stuff back on. But she's in there. I'm excited to run this thing. Put it right up next to that one and see what they do. But alright guys, thanks for watching.